Let us now discuss how can we solve this problem. Reverse words with same vowel count. So we are given with a string S consisting of lowercase English words, each separated by a single space. Okay. Determine how many vowels appear in the first word. Then reverse each following word that has the same vowel count. Leave all remaining words unchanged. Return the resulting string. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So let's take an example: cat and mice. Cat and mice. So this is the given string. Now the first word is cat. Let us count how many vowels are there in the first word. The number of vowels in this word is 1. Now, as I said, remaining, leave this thing first. Leave the first word, and in the answer string, return the strings, words reversed if the word is having the same number of vowels as the first word. Let us look at and. How many vowels are there here? Only one vowel A. So what we'll do, we'll just reverse this. We will get D and A. Now let us look at this mice. How many vowels do I have here? I and E. So there are two vowels which is not equal to the number of words 1. So we leave the string or the word as it is. So it will be mice itself. And the resulting string is cat DNA space MICE. The same thing, right? Only the DNA and is changed or reversed. Now let us look at the next example. Book is nice. Let's take that example. Book is nice, right? Let's count how many vowels are there on the first word, right? There are two vowels. Okay. Now the answer string will be book. Now here I have is. Let us count how many vowels are there here. Only one, but we need two, then only we'll be reversing. If not, we'll be not changing the word. Nice. Let's count how many vowels are there. Two, which is equal to the number of vowels which are present in the first word. So we'll just change ECIN. That's it. We'll be returning this answer. But there is a thing like how can we reverse a word? How can we reverse a word? So let us write the algorithm here. First thing is get number of vowels in the first word. So I need to iterate and get the first word and also the number of words. But if you see, I'm initializing previous is equal to 0. I'll tell you why previous is equal to 0 by taking this example, cat and mice. Let me initialize previous is equal to 0, nothing but my previous is here. Now, what I will do is whenever I get an empty space, I'll change my previous to here. Why? Why? Because another time when I get a empty space, I'll take this word, right? I'll take the word from, I'll just iterate from, I will be going from here to here and then here. So I'll just take the substring which is nothing but this word and count number of vowels, right? Now if you see, do I need to make the substring and then count the number of vowels? No need. Why? Because let me tell you, instead of creating a substring, what if I just have something like a current or count as the number of vowels present in the current word? Let me tell you, here I have 1 as the count, 1 and then 1. When I got an empty space, if you see, only 1 is the count. Count is 1, right? Which is equal to the number of vowels in the first word. So what I'll do, I'll just increment, I'll just reverse the string, reverse and append to answer, right? Let us do that. So we'll be having an answer string. So we'll be getting the number of vowels in the first word. So previous will be nothing but the the index after the first space, and then after that iterate I'll iterate, but before that count will be 0, iterate, and if is a vowel, the character is vowel, then increment the count, right? Now else if it is empty space, then then I'll change my previous, right? But before changing previous, I'll take substring of word, and if count is equal to first word vowel count, then reverse reverse the word, and then after reversing, then I'll be pushing that back into the answer, or appending into the answer, append to answer, right? So if it is an empty space, first I'll take substring of word, and if count is equal to first word count, then reverse the word, and then I'll append to the answer. So after this, I'll be also getting, there will be a last word, an empty space, and some word at the last, right? So I might not get it. So get the last word, last word, if count of vowels is equal to count of vowels in first word, then reverse. If not, I'll just uh, append the last word to answer, right? So we'll be reversing the last word here itself, and however we'll be appending the last word to the answer, and at the last returning we'll be returning the answer. So this is how you solve this problem, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching this video. Please to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I have given the code link in the description. Go and check it.